Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the solar charging test on the MI11X device. This is a 28 panel or foldable solar panel, friends, as you can see clearly. So this is the MI11X device. So previously a lot of users did ask me this kind of question, can you please do the MI11X charging test, because actually the MI11X supports the really fast charging using this kind of solar panel. That is what I'm going to test right now. So I did connect to the very fast USB port. As you can see, friends, there are 3 USB ports, so I did connect to the very fast USB port, and as soon as you connect, you will get this kind of message saying quick charge. You can see, friends, it's really good that you are getting quick charge support in the MI11X device using the solar panel. So this is just my corridor sunlight, friends. This is not my top of the building sunlight. So this is my just the corridor light which I'm trying to use right now. So in case if you are interested, I can do complete outdoor type testing as well, maybe starting from 10% to 100%. I can do that kind of testing. So even with this kind of light, I was able to get easily close to 1500 milliamperes without any kind of problem, even in my corridor, as you can see, friends, clearly, which is really good for the MI11X device. I do know it's a kind of really slow charging, but in case of emergency, you can use it in this way to charge your accessories. And one more thing, there are other small 2 ports that do support only, I think, up to close to 1000 milliamperes. I used to get the charging. That is the reason I did select to the highest port, highest USB port. Let me try to show you right now. As you can see, these are the charging rates. You can see the maximum it did reach right now up to 1600 milliamperes as well. So this is my long cable which I bought from the Amazon. As you can see, friends, this is a useful of this 2-meter cable, which is really good. So I can keep my phone inside my home, not in the direct sunlight. That is another advantage which I do have. So right now, as you can see, it's reaching up to 2000 milliamperes as well, just using the normal solar sunlight. As you can see, friends, solar panel only, charging the MI11X device. I'll just charge for maybe 30 minutes. Only for 30 minutes I'll try to charge, and I'll try to show you exactly how much percentage the phone got charged. That is a only very small test. So in this way, we'll be able to calculate how much time actually the phone can take in this scenario. As you can see, friends, clearly it's charging completely based on solar only. That's really good. So I'll try to do the solar panel review as well very soon, maybe connecting 3 phones at the same time. So which phone will charge with at what speed, that is what I'm going to do next. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. So right now I'm getting about close to 10 minutes of time. It charged it up to 6% in 10 minutes. As you can clearly see, friends, in 10 minutes 6% is charged, and you can see the graph as well clearly. It's going up and it's coming down. So depending on the clouds and everything, all those factors also you should consider. And you can check the maximum it went up to 2197 milliamperes. That's the maximum speed it went. That's really good in this phone, which is another useful, as you can see clearly, friends. So make sure you use my links in the description to buy any kind of accessories or products. That will be really helpful for me. So after close to 25 minutes close, as you can see, still I'm trying to use the same kind of solar, same position only. And right now 1500 and 1400 it's maintaining an average. That's really great. Let me try to show you the exact battery percentage, how much it is right now. I'll try to focus properly. As you can see, 81% right now. So 13% in 23 minutes it did reach. That's really good, as you can see, friends. So right now it's kind of close to 30 minutes. So close to 30 minutes, and it did charge up to 13% or 16%, as you can 16% in 30 minutes. So overall, maybe for 1 hour it will charge up to 32%, and for maybe for 2 to 3 hours the phone can completely get fully charged if I try to continue in this way of charging. So again, I'll be back with a full charging test, maybe from the 0 to 100%, something like that. I'll definitely come back, so in case if you're interested. So only depending on the comments I'll be making the video. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and make sure to check the links in the description for more updates. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.